Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on the channel. I have some information that may surprise you about XRP. And so I hear it all the time. How can XRP's price go any higher? Right? It's at $2.33. It has a market cap of $133 billion right now. Crazy price predictions out there, right? Worth $500 for XRP. Now, I am not stating that XRP will go to $500. However, I think the price could go much higher based on the data that I have. And so if you enjoyed this content, do me a favor and hit the like button and subscribe for future videos. And so there's a lot of other catalysts coming out for XRP as well. We have Gary Gensler that is going to be gone in January and is going to be replaced by a new SEC chairman. We have Crenshaw also that is going to be out. And so this is going to be very bullish for XRP. There has been the lawsuit that has been going on now for 4 years, and this could be coming to an end. We have Ripple's stablecoin that has gone live, RLUSD. We have the SEC final showdown that could be coming out on January 15th, right? And so there's a lot of bullish catalyst for XRP moving forward. And so let's go ahead and take a look at the price of XRP before I go over the information that I think is very surprising. So the current price right now is at $2.30 for XRP. We can see we have this resistance line that we have bounced off a couple of times. Now, yes, we did break above it here. However, I am looking for a daily close on that candle. And so once we do break to the upside here and have a daily close, I think we will be pushing above $3 for XRP. And so if you're interested in signing up for a new exchange, there is a link underneath the video to Weex Exchange. There's over 1,000 different altcoins listed on here, and there is no KYC required. This platform has spot and futures trading. And so let's go ahead and take a look at the information that I'm talking about. And so just today, the price went from about $2.22 on XRP up to $2.32. And so we saw about a 10-cent increase in XRP's price. Now, based on the market cap of XRP over here on the left side, we can see that same time frame, when the price went from $2.22 to $2.32, the market cap is showing that it went from $127 billion to $132 billion. And so about a $5 billion increase in market cap. However, if we go back and look at XRP spot inflows and outflows here, we can see at the exact same time here, we had inflows of about $11 million. And then the next 15 minutes later, we also had inflows of about $6 million. And so that's a total of $17 million of inflows that moved the price 10 cents, which we're showing that moved the price $5 billion in market cap. And so this just shows that market cap does not always match up with the price of XRP, right? I mean, there may be XRP that is being held in escrow, there's long-term holders. It's going to be based on the liquidity and available supply for XRP, right? It's what people are willing to pay for XRP moving forward. Now let's go ahead and take a look at this same information on a bigger time frame here. And so back in early November, the price of XRP was trading around 50 cents with a market cap right around $30 billion. And so the price spiked all the way up to $2.90, which had the market cap increase to about $150 billion. Right, and so that is about a 5x increase in the market cap for XRP. However, if we take a look at the spot inflows and outflows for XRP in that same time period here, we can see some of those, right? $58 million, $83 million, $177 million. That was the biggest inflow here of $177 million. And so even if we add all of these inflows up right here, it does not equate to the market cap that is being shown on the left side, right? That was a $120 billion increase. We're probably only talking a $1 billion increase of inflows that made the price go from 50 cents up to $2.90. And so let's go ahead and take a look at 3 reasons why this may be happening. So market cap is usually calculated as price multiplied by the circulating supply. And so this is frequently used to compare the value of different cryptocurrencies. However, market cap does not always reflect potential valuation. And so one of the biggest misconceptions in market cap represents the amount of money invested in a cryptocurrency. Market cap is a theoretical number derived from the latest traded price multiplied across the total circulating supply. And so, for example, if one XRP trades at $2 and there's 50 billion XRP in circulation, the market cap is $100 billion. However, this does not mean that 100 billion flowed into XRP. It only takes a small percentage of that amount, the traded volume, to set the price. And so that's exactly what we were just looking at in the data in the graphs that I was showing. And so price cannot rise without significant demand pushing liquidity into the asset. If buyers suddenly bid higher prices for XRP, its price would skyrocket without requiring billions in new capital. In other words, it's not about the proportional increase in new capital invested in the asset. Instead, it's about the willingness of buyers to pay higher prices for the available supply. And so it's just dependent on what the buyers are willing to pay for XRP based on the available supply of XRP. And so market cap calculations assume every token that is in circulating supply is actively traded. But in reality, a large portion of XRP's supply is held in escrow or long-term investors who don't plan on selling anytime soon because much of the supply is locked or held by those who are not looking to sell immediately. The actual traded supply of XRP at any given time is much lower than the circulating supply, and this is what can drive the price of XRP up significantly. And so this is definitely something to keep in mind, especially if you're looking at the price of XRP in the current market cap in the number 4 position, wondering if this can go any higher. And so we're also going to be starting to see some implementation with XRP's technology. And so we have a lot of catalysts coming up. We have bank IDs that have been assigned from many different banks in Australia, China, Hong Kong, Philippines, Singapore, Thailand, Vietnam. And so I think this is very bullish moving forward. I think they're building out the infrastructure for implementation. And so some other catalysts that are still coming up, right? We saw the price go up to $2.90, but we still have a lot more coming for XRP. There's a possible XRP ETF that could be approved any day. We have the tokenization real world asset narrative, which is going to be booming in Q1 of 2025. If you did not watch my previous video, I definitely recommend checking that out. We also have bank adoption and utilization. We have Ripple IPO that is possibly still pending. We have the stablecoin that just launched. We have regulated legal clarity, right? With Gary Gensler and the SEC having a change of hands. We have the Trump administration being very bullish on cryptocurrencies. We have the lawsuit possibly being dropped. We have different partnership announcements. There's many banks that have already partnered with Ripple. We have major XRPL amendments, and then we have the XRP ledger adoption growing. And so there's still a ton of catalysts for XRP. I think the price will still go much higher than we are today at $2.28. If you enjoyed this video, do me a favor and hit the like button and subscribe for future videos, and let me know your thoughts on the data that I was showing, right? Does this make sense to you here? That we're seeing inflows of only about $17 million, however, the price has gone up about 10 cents. With the market cap, there would be a $5 billion increase. And so this definitely could start driving the price up. Imagine we start seeing implementation of Ripple and XRP in banks or financial payments. We're going to start seeing billions of inflows for XRP. Right, we're just talking 17 million here, or if we take a look at the daily here, we're looking at possibly $1 billion of inflows, but it's moving the price substantially. And so this is definitely something to keep in mind. And so thanks so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next video.